if you want to create your own YouTube channel, but you don't know how to begin, there is a video I made how to create a channel. I'll keep it in the description or somewhere here in the video will show. But in this video, I'm going to explain how to have an identity of your channel, meaning you have a problem with the name of the channel, you have a problem with the logo, banner, descriptions, tags, and all this what comes with showing the identity of your own channel. So I'm going to use AI to help us with this. We'll use the ChatGPT and Canva. Of course, the free ones, I'm going to apply it to my own channel and you can see the results and you can use your own custom request to get your results, what you require. Before we're creating your logo or colors or all this, we need to know what is your channel all about. So many beginners skip this step and go ahead and with the creation of your logo. But how to create a logo and you don't know what exactly your channel is about. And that is the mistake. So your logo, your banners, your colors, and your channel should support the purpose of your channel. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to use my own channel to show you what is my channel about and who's my target audience and what is the style I want and what message do I want people to remember. Now we're going to use ChatGPT to create your branding. Now in ChatGPT, you just write it this way. I'm creating a YouTube channel. You call the name of your channel and it's what is all about AI tools, technology, and asks to create a professional brand identity, including the colors, font, logo ideas, and banner ideas, and the channel descriptions. If you interested in maybe in some fonts or colors, you can add it in the request here. If you have no idea yet what you want to select, so just keep it as it is, and ChatGPT will give you ideas of these themes or colors of your channel. So the ChatGPT may suggest some colors and fonts and tagline, of course, for you, and write down all these suggestions because you're going to use them later on Canva. Now we go with the creating of your logo with Canva AI. So after you have already suggestion about the colors and themes and fonts, you log into Canva. If you don't have an account, just create an account and log into account. Once you're inside Canva, click create a design, look for the logo, choose or search for logo. Now go to the ChatGPT and ask for logo prompt. Means create. You can have this suggestion, create a modern professional YouTube logo for the channel name with a futuristic technology styling. We can mention here the colors you want. Anything you want to add to this logo, you can mention it on this request. So ChatGPT will give you the prompt and you copy it and paste it on the image creation in Canva. Canva will create maybe multiple logo concepts for you. Even after selecting one you like, you can customize it and add whatever you want to there. You can remove or add anything you want. Change the font, you can adjust the colors, match it to your brand, whatever you like. Maybe the ideas will come to you once you see the branding or you see the logo. So, but remember always the logo of your YouTube channel is always small. So try not to have so many details on that logo. Once you finish, you can download the logo as a PNG file. Now, the same way, we're going to create a banner. Same thing, you go to create, go search for the YouTube banner. From there, in Canva, create. So you go back again to ChatGPT to generate the prompt. So you can write something like create futuristic YouTube banner for my channel. And of course, here you have your own selection, what you want, the colors, font, anything you want to add, some icons, some photos, and your banner to show. We'll add it on this request. Once you have the prompt ready, you just copy it and paste it into Canva, and they will generate for you maybe several copies there, and you can choose one and you do the same thing for editing. Whatever you like, you just download it. Of course, in the banner you can also add your tagline, the one we have mentioned before, technology and AI made simple to understand. Whatever the tagline you have, you can include it in your banner so it can shows exactly where you want it. We were going to create the about section. Many creators ignore this section, but YouTube uses this better to understand your content. So we open ChatGPT and ask, write professional YouTube about section of our technology channel called whatever your channel name, and focus on AI tools, technology reviews, website, and productivity software. Remember, this is what I ask for my own channel. Depends on your channel, of course, you request based on your requirement. So the ChatGPT will generate a complete description, review it, and make it small changes if needed. Keep it clear and easy to understand. Don't overcomplicate this section, but this section should always answer 3 questions. What is this channel about? Who is it for? Why should people subscribe to your channel? Once you are happy with the description, copy and paste it into your YouTube channel settings. Another important thing is the thumbnail for your YouTube videos. It should be always constant, like should not be always, when I see your thumbnails, I know this is for your channel. Not every time you have different kind of style, different kind of colors, and that will confuse maybe the viewers. So always have a constant thumbnail style. How to do this? You have 2 ways: by going to Canva and create a template there. You will open YouTube thumbnail and from there create, and of course ask ChatGPT to create for you a style of thumbnail. You describe what colors you want, what fonts, all this type of things we have explained before, and we'll create for you a thumbnail. So in the future ones, the same thumbnail style every time you create a new video. But for the way I use normally for my own channel is I use ChatGPT itself to create my thumbnails. So I'll ask ChatGPT, please create thumbnail style for my channel and keep using it every time I ask for it. So if I like thumbnail created by ChatGPT, I'll ask him to remember the same style, and whatever video I create in the future, you're gonna use the same style. I found that very fast and easy way to do your thumbnail. Same thing, you can use also the tags for your channels. Tags can help to identify what your channels about, can help with the search keywords and all that, who looking for kind of channel. So also you can ask ChatGPT to give you these keywords or these tags and have it in your own channel in the YouTube settings of your channel. So that's it. We have used ChatGPT and Canva to create the everything we need for our channel, from logo, banners, description tags, and even thumbnails style. So now we're living in AI era. That will help us speed up the process. We don't need to sit down and keep thinking and writing all this. You can just focus on creating your videos. Just be original. Start your own channel today and publish your first video today. Don't wait until everything is perfect. Let me know if you need any more help on this topic and make more videos, whatever you need. I'll help. Your questions gonna help me grow, and I help you also grow with me. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.